welcome back, Fly Tribe, and welcome to your tutorial. And if you're new to this channel, thanks so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell button so that you know when we drop a new tutorial. All right, today's skill is the single ankle hang, and I will link the double ankle hang in the description. And but today, let's go ahead and talk about the single ankle hang. All right, let's slow this down a little bit. So there's some fancy footwork that happens. I like to put the heel to toe, and then you're going to go around from the inside and out, catching the fabric on the inside of the feet. Then you're going to walk yourself down. And the only thing about this skill is that you want to make sure that you have strong enough core muscles to be able to walk yourself back up. Now you can grab your fabric and pull back into a teardrop. You can also bend your knees here and pull your bottom back and do kind of like a crinkle body or like a Z position with your body. That's real pretty if you're flexible. But right here when you come up, you can either beat back and you can reach up above the feet, or you can grab the fabric and walk yourself up. And then you're going to come into a crouch position, into a sit, and then all you have to do is stand up and you're out. All right, let's check that out once again. Remember, heel to toe, and go from the inside out. The fabric will be on the inside of the feet. You can walk yourself down in style. You can grab the fabric and teardrop or crinkle body or Z position. You can beat up and grab above your feet, or you can walk up the fabric to come out. And then when you come to sit or crouch position, you just come to stand. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button. We'll see you soon.